Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So lately I've been craving for the good old MAWA cake that we get in India. So I decided to make my own version of MAWA cake with the ingredients that I have at home. But before we begin baking, I would like to tell you to please subscribe to my channel and like the videos that I share, and also most importantly share my videos with your family and friends. Tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you guys make the recipes that I post, and I'm also looking forward to the feedback that you guys always provide. Thank you. Let's begin. So the ingredients are really easy. 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of the most important ingredient, which is gulab jamun mix. This is 3/4 cup of maida. Again, you could use whole wheat flour instead of maida. When you use whole wheat flour, the liquids would have to be increased just a little bit to get that consistency. So the first step when we make a cake is always sieve the ingredients so that the cake becomes fluffy. Also, the best way to measure your ingredients whenever you bake is to use a scale, to use a kitchen scale to weigh them, because weighing them from a cup can vary from time to time. Okay? Also adding half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt to this. Give all of these ingredients a good mix. Also, while you're making cakes, always mix the dry ingredients first and then mix the wet ingredients in a different container, and then you mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Because this is a MAWA cake, I'm going to be adding a mix of dry fruits to this. So that the dry fruits don't sink at the bottom of my cake, I'm adding a little bit of dry flour in this and just gonna mix this. Put this to a side. Time for our wet ingredients. This is 1 cup of milk, which is at room temperature. I am going to be adding vinegar to this milk. Mix the vinegar and now let this sit for about a minute. What this does is that it curdles up and becomes buttermilk. And when you're making eggless cakes, this is very important because that makes your cakes fluffy. Alright, putting this to a side now. 1/4 cup of oil, regular cooking oil, to which I am going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Also, to the same, I'm adding a few drops of rose water. That's a personal choice because I love the flavor of rose water. Give all of this a good mix.
Audio Jungle.
So the milk and vinegar has been sitting for a minute. I'm now adding the oil and vanilla mixture to this, making sure not wasting any oil. Now give this a good mix.
Audio Jungle.
Alright, now I'm gonna take the dry ingredients that we mixed earlier,
Audio Jungle.
make a well in the middle, and add my wet ingredients a little at a time and mix it.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Batter is beautifully mixed and I get a ribbon consistency when I'm pouring the batter. At this stage, I'm gonna be mixing the dry fruits that we mixed earlier slowly into the batter.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright. Now, I have used two 6-inch pans and I have oiled them and greased them well, which is again a very important step. I'm gonna put the batter half in both the tins.
Audio Jungle.
I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until when I insert a toothpick in the center of the cake comes out clean and clear. To go with my MAWA cake, I'm gonna make chai. What? I'm gonna make a chai Dalgona. So let's begin making it quickly. I've taken 30 ml of chai decoction, which is super hot. ,30 grams of powdered sugar, and don't close your screens because I'm going to be adding 1 gram, just 1 gram of coffee powder to stabilize it. I promise it's not going to taste like coffee. Now whip everything together until it's super frothy.
Audio Jungle.
So I've been whisking this for about 7 to 8 minutes now. It is finally coming together. I taste the little bit of cream and it is tasting like my chai. It looks ready now. I'm quickly gonna pour this over hot cup of milk. Now the
Audio Jungle.
chai Dalgona is finally ready. It took about 30 minutes for the cakes to get baked and get a nice brown top. I'm gonna check if they are baked through using a skewer. I'm gonna insert it in the middle and see if it comes out clean. Baked perfectly.